the chai and the splitting and everything else. Just connect the hands. From the connecting hands, you learn how to touch and find the point to control your partner. You see? After you can control your partner, you can fire jin. Sorry. Then you use the splitting. They come, you use the chai jin. You can bind the energies, or pong, a do, chai, an, whatever. So you have a freedom to move, change. You see? Always a freedom. This freedom to move gives you the changes, so I don't need to resist his force. When he puts force on, I'm relaxed. It looks like I'm trapped, it looks like he's on top, but I'm free. So even when they come all over you and you seem smothered, actually it's okay. You have Tao, you have Chai, you have Lia, you have Jo, you have An. Any jin can happen freely because you can change. When I can't change, I get constipated, I get stuck, I start to insist. If you insist, everything else goes downhill. Okay? So these basic exercises, learning how to split, how to chai, are to give you freedom. Freedom to move. When you have freedom, you can start to become soul. You're never relaxed when you're trapped. Who feels relaxed when they're trapped, imprisoned? Nobody. But when you're free, everything's open, it's a good day, you feel released. So you have to release yourself and from what your partner is putting on you. If you run away, you're not released. If you butt in and fight, you're not released. Only harmony allows you to be released.